and welcome back to my channel, friends. Today I'll be showing you a craft activity for which I require some old CDs. Most of us have old unused CDs at home, compact discs, so we can use them as a craft activity and decorate our homes very nicely. I'll show you how to do that. Before that, I want to tell you what all we require for this. Old CDs, as I told you, and some colored papers. I require actually orange or brown shades of paper and white and black shades. So you can take those colored papers. I'll be making a lion with the CDs. You can make any other animal, but you can make this lion also. So for this lion we require this colored papers and Fevicol, of course, scissors, pencil and some felt pens of different colors. So let's start the activity right now. I have taken 2 CDs. Now I have taken some brown paint. I will just give some brushed strokes just like that. You saw how I put some paint on this CDs. Now it has dried up, so we'll move on to the rest of the activity. To keep it aside, and I'll cut the lion's mane first. Before that, I'll draw a little bit. Place the CDs like this and you can draw it accordingly. And the legs of the lion, the foot of the lion. Like this. Place the CDs on top of the paper and you draw the outline like this. Like this will be the mane and this will be the legs and the foot. Then we'll have to cut it out. Now the mane and the legs are cut out, so we can place the CDs like this, one top of the other. But before that we need to cut out the ears. I'll cut out the ears from this colored paper. Two ears I have cut out, which I'll put it here. Now I will cut out a decorative piece which will put it in the front, just like a leaf. I'll cut out this portion. This is for this portion. And moving on to the face, I'll draw some eyes and nose and cut it out. Now I will cut out one nose, and two eyes. And a mouth. Before that, I will mark it with a black marker. And the mouth with red. And some black eyelashes. So now I will cut this out. At first, I will stick the ears. After sticking the ears, we'll put Fevicol over here. Now first I will put this CD over here. Now I will put this CD over here, overlapping the top one. And now the assembling part. Now I will put this, stick this over here. And the mouth over here. And the nose over here, and two eyes, one over here, and one over here. our lion is ready, we'll just mark the feet and the tail. Now I can do border also before this. A little bit of bordering will look good. Friends, you saw how I made this lion out of waste CDs, and you can decorate your home like this. You can just put a hanging ribbon over here and hang it on your walls, and involve your kids while making this so that they enjoy the whole craft activity, and whenever it will be hung on the walls, they'll be able to tell anybody that I have made this wall hanging myself and with the help of my mom or dad. So enjoy doing this craft activities while at home. And now Ishan will show you a origami.
Hi friends, I am Ishan. Today I am going to show you a easy origami knife. You will need a A4 size paper for folding the knife. Now fold the paper in half and crease it well. Now open this and fold these two edges to this middle line. Now we will do the other side. Now open this. Cut each strip. You have cut one strip. Now take the strip of paper and fold it in half horizontally like this. From this or this to this or this. Now fold from the right side of the paper or left side of the paper like half, means to the middle line. Now fold the opposite side to the crease we made just now. Now fold the paper up and make a crease like this. Now fold the upper left corner or right corner to this crease here. Now turn the paper over and fold it like this here. And here another. Now be careful with this because there is another loose layer behind it that can slip if you do not be careful. Now fold it like this and this. Now fold it upwards and this. Now your paper knife is ready. This is the handle and this is the knife.
Friends, you saw a lovely origami and a simple craft with CDs. So please do this at home, try doing this, you'll enjoy it, I know. And keep watching my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.